Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move. Today, I'm Paul Sweeney alongside Scarlett Fu. We're joined by Bloomberg's Red Brown. Red, what are you looking at today?
Yeah, first one on my screen here is Sweetgreen. The ticker is SG. This stock is getting kind of pummeled today. It was down as much as 17%, down around 8 at the moment. That 16% drop is actually its worst intraday since August of this year. It was coincided with its last earnings report. So earnings becoming a little bit of a trouble point for this company. Really struggling, as we've seen kind of throughout this earnings season, this fast casual segment, really struggling with the kind of a slowdown within that like middle income consumer, as well as younger consumers. So Sweetgreen definitely dealing with a lot of those problems due to the fact that their meals are kind of too pricey for these people at the moment.
Regularly $20 salads.
Yep.
I mean, after you add on, your protein.
Sure.
The protein, that brings it right up. Okay, Red, number 2 stock you're watching.
Sticking with the restaurants, this time it's Wendy's. The stock was up almost 15%
Baconator.
Today. The Baconator is clearly resonating with people at the moment. Their stocks, it's up 2% right now, and this is off the back of actually them showing sales fell less than expected, and also kind of continuing with this trend we've seen the last couple of weeks in these restaurant earnings of fast food doing quite well. Seems like foot traffic is, maybe falling in some of these restaurants, but if we look at McDonald's, if we look at the Burger King parent company, Restaurant Brands International, if we look at Yum, they own Taco Bell, all these companies have been outperforming expectations, and Wendy's is kind of the last iteration of that theme that we see today with the stock up around 2%, like I said.
Expedia.
Yeah, Expedia doing incredible today. The stock is really ripping, up around 18%. That's the best since April of this year. This one kind of surprised me. I think it's interesting to hear some of the commentary from Expedia, like, travel demand is still strong. Like, it's just one of these areas that people just kind of refuse to stop spending on. I thought it was interesting, too, that they called out that their buy now, travel later type product was driving a lot of these results as well. I mean, Scarlett, you made a face, so
Buy now, travel later just sounds like a bad idea to me.
I think so too, but
a good idea for the company that's offering it, but for consumers?
Oh, definitely. I mean, I think it just, like, to me, what it signals is that, like, people, like, we've heard this, like, on cruise earnings a lot. Like, people just really, like, do not want to cut back on their travel, and they're looking for more, like, affordable ways to do it, right? So, like, if I can maybe split my trip up that I want to take now into 4 payments or whatever it is, whatever the sort of plan is, that allows me to still kind of, like, scratch that itch. I do wonder what it looks like, I guess, in a few months' time as the economy does kind of continue to, like, sputter out. Like, is this necessarily a good idea? I don't know if I'll have a job in 12 months, right? Like, so...
I feel like we secretly want to be European with, 20 vacation days a year.
Sure.
I was like, yes, sign me up.
Take the whole summer
It's
off.
no secret for me. I love it. Yeah.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.